Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm just dropping this quick video because I want to say a massive thank you to all of my new subscribers I've had over the last few months. Very humbling, thank you very much. The content that I've been sharing, a lot of it's been aircraft, flyovers, cars and buses. And I've got to say, the aircraft content alone has really done well, and I want to say a massive thank you to everyone for watching the content and giving it a thumbs up. So yeah, I've got plenty more to come. I've got quite a lot that I've captured during the summer, and now we're into autumn, and yeah, it's there's been a lot of planes flying around, and I managed to capture quite a bit. I just wish I had a camera that was as good as Malky's zoom, because there's a guy called Malky that I follow, and he's got a Nikon camera with an amazing zoom. I think it's Nikon, and he does produce some really good zooming videos, unbelievable. His camera can zoom in so far, it's ridiculous. It's nowhere near as good as mine, let's put it that way, but yeah, I'll keep pumping out the videos. I've got loads more to come. I've scheduled in content right up to the end of November, and I've got loads more that I've saved. So yeah, plenty of little light aircraft flying around and helicopters, and hopefully if you're a pilot, you get to see your own plane flying over. That's the goal, is to try and get pilots to see their own planes. And I have, so far, I've had one person who has seen his own plane and himself flying it, and has commented on one of my videos. So yes, thank you very much, and I'll plan on doing many more of these light aircraft, because I find them fascinating, because they're all very different. Either the different colour schemes, or they're all different types of aircraft. So yeah. I've got loads of Augusta helicopters to share. I've still got a few of them, and I've also got loads of Cessnas and loads of Pipers to share. And I've got one that I make it into a sort of like a big. I'll make it into like a big collage, and that's from a company called Donair, and they fly over my house regular. They're based at East Midlands Airport. So yeah, thank you very much everyone. I'll keep pumping out the videos, and at no time hopefully I'll be at 600 subscribers. So thank you very much, and we'll see you guys later. Thank you.